What's up, guys? Guess who's back?
The reason why I look all crazy
is because me and Chris, show yourself, Chris.
Hey guys.
We are going to the junkyard today to see if we can pull some parts for his Mustang.
Don't listen to him. He's lying. It's actually an instructional video of how to tie boots.
We are going to go to the junkyard, see if we can get some parts for his Mustang, manifold parts and stuff. We're gonna have a fun time.
Very cool.
race car out. Let's go. Ooh.
How you doing here? We are going to Harbor Freight. I'm gonna pick up like a quick little socket set because someone stole mine in front of my house. I left it out. It was kind of stupid. But we're gonna head to Harbor Freight, get some cheap tools, and then hopefully pull some parts. And then Chris is gonna pick up like a water pump. We're going to Baltimore for that. But let's freaking go to Harbor Freight and get these cheap tools. We made it to the freight store. Time to get some tools.
Bro, have you ever seen one of these before? Oh, what's in there?
I know most of y'all know what these are for. But we got the stuff. I just got like a 4-way socket set because like I said, someone stole my But we're gonna see if we can get some of this stuff, see if they even have any LS parts.
Hey bro.
What?
Tag your...
Boy! We are going to pick up Chris's water pump, and then I think we're gonna meet up with some girls. No, so I'm just kidding. But we're gonna meet up with this girl, and then I think we're gonna go to the junkyard and see if we can pull some parts for this LS. Hopefully they have some parts because
And get some snacks, bro.
And get some snacks. But these kids, they badass kids, pushing over light posts and shit.
Dude, it's only
Right here and stuff. Jack Jake. Yeah, that's crazy. We always see this guy everywhere. I swear, every time we're doing videos, we see this guy. Jack Jake! Oh. Where's Jake? Do a pull! Do a pull!
race car right there.
Alright, we just copped the LS6 manifold. This thing's pretty clean. It has a little bit of blow by, but it came with, I don't know what brand fuel rails these are, but and then it also comes with a throttle body spacer, so that'll help out just a little bit. And then you got the water pump, but needs the rest of his accessories. But yeah, we did it. We didn't have to go to the junkyard.
3 hours later.
Oh, wow, dude.
Hey, what's up, bro?
This thing looks
We ended up just getting Chris's manifold and stuff, and now we're actually in Mexico. As you can see, the Panda's in front of us. We're gonna see him race and probably a few other races we're headed to right now. So I'll get back to you guys when we get there. Oh shit, that was right lane.
Guess who's back? 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 Guess who's back?
Panda, panda, panda. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.
Panties under it? Yeah, you got those pink ones on.